Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about different ad buying models, which is CPC, CPM, CPI, CPA, CPL, CPD. Don't worry about these words. I will explain each one of them in easy examples. So let's get started. Firstly, I will tell you about the CPC. CPC, which means cost per click. Think of this like paying for visitors. You pay only when someone actually clicks your ad. For example, you run a shoe ad campaign on Google search and 500 people see it, but only 50 clicks. And if Google charges rupees 10 per click, then you pay 500 in total. It is good for search based campaigns. And the intent is very good, and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Then comes the CPM. So CPM means cost per mille or cost per thousand impressions. This is all about impressions. You pay for every thousand people who see your ad. For example, you run a Facebook ad campaign and Facebook charges 200 for 1000 impressions. So even no one clicks, you still pay rupees 200 when there is a 1000 impressions. It is good for brand awareness. For example, like when Coca-Cola just wants everyone to see their ad. Then comes CPI. CPI means cost per install. It is perfect for apps. You only pay when someone downloads your app. For example, a gaming company run ads on Instagram. For every person who installs the game, the company pays rupees 50. So if 100 people installs, then there is a 5,000 spent. It is good for startups or apps that want more installs. The next one is CPA. CPA means cost per acquisition or cost per action. This is result based. You pay only when someone completes a valuable action like buying, signing up, or subscribing. For example, you send an online course, an ad bringing 20 people, but only two buy. If you set CP at rupees 300, then you pay only for those two sales, that is rupees 600. It is good for businesses that want guaranteed conversion. Then comes the CPL. CPL means cost per lead. You pay for every lead that you get, usually contact info like name, email, or phone number. For example, an ad tech company run ads saying get free demo classes. If 100 people fill the form and each lead costs rupees 100, then you pay 10,000 in total. It is good for service-based businesses that rely on leads like real estate, education, or insurance. Then the last one is CPD. CPD means cost per day or Masthead Ads. This is a premium option. You pay a flat fee to show your ad on one full day on major platforms homepage. For example, on YouTube homepage, a brand pays around 50,000 for one day of visibility. Millions of people will see it in a single day. So it is good for big launches and brands that want massive attention. So there is a conclusion. Let's get quickly recap. If you want traffic, choose CPC. If you want awareness, then choose CPM. If you want app installs, then go for CPI. If you want sales, then CPA. If you want leads, then CPL. And if you want maximum visibility for a day, then go for CPD. So if the video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tell me in comments which model you want to use in your business. Thank you.